Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on the Samsung Galaxy A52s. So, if you're having trouble with Wi-Fi, I'm going to show you a few things you can do to try and fix that. The first thing we're going to do is the most basic one, just restart your Wi-Fi. Open up the control panel, expand it, then tap on the Wi-Fi icon to turn it off, then tap it again to turn it on. You can also do it through settings by going to settings, clicking connections and selecting Wi-Fi, then just enabling or disabling it. The next thing you can try is forgetting and reconnecting to the network you want to use. To forget it and reset it, click on the gear icon, scroll down to the trash can icon and tap Forget. It's going to log you out of the network, and you can reconnect to it again by typing in the password, selecting it, and connecting to it. The next thing you can try, if that also didn't work, is restart your router that provides the Wi-Fi. You can also restart your phone by opening up the control panel, clicking on the power icon, and hitting restart. To restart your Wi-Fi router, either find a button on it and click it to disable and enable it, or just unplug it and plug it back in. The next thing you can try is checking for software updates. If it's an issue that you cannot connect to the Wi-Fi, there might be a new update that fixes that problem. Open up the Settings app again, scroll down to the Software Update option, click on it, select Download and Install, and it's going to check if you have an update. Here you can see I do have a new update, and it's going to start downloading it. If you don't, it's just going to say the device is up to date and you can skip this part. Wait for the update to download, then go through the installation process, which is straightforward. Once that's done, you'll be on the latest software and your issue might be resolved. The last thing you can try is resetting the network settings. To do that, go to General Management and Settings, scroll down, press Reset, and then Reset Network Settings. Confirm everything, tap Reset, and all of your network settings will be reset. You're going to need to connect to your Wi-Fi network again. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.